Zebra Technologies, 120 locations and over 10,000 employees. We're now proud to introduce you to one of these sites and its location. Brno, Czech Republic. Fast becoming this emerging Central European country's very own Silicon Valley. With some of the Czech Republic's largest universities, of which supply talented employees for some of the world's top technology companies, such as our own, Brno is a powerhouse of innovation. It's nestled between two European capitals, Prague, Czechia, and Vienna, Austria, and their respective international airports are just a stone's throw away. Located in the heart of Brno is one of Zebra's largest sites in the world. Our office houses multiple departments that impact almost every corner of Zebra's business. We have evolved considerably, not just in regard to the walls around us, but in our mission as well. Zebra started as a service center in 2003. Our growth over the years means we've cultivated ourselves into a center of excellence, with global teams, many of which are managed within our doors. Let's take a look around and see what Zebra employees in Brno are up to in our 2022 Interior Design Award-winning office. Zebra Brno is now seen as a young, dynamic site with talent and tremendous potential. We invest in the development of our employees through a wide range of activities, including on-the-job experiential learning, training, workshops, and mentoring. There's plenty of space to get work done, collaborate with a colleague, or even just take a moment to yourself. Our larger meeting rooms are perfect for training and give us the opportunity to host partners and colleagues from across the world. Modern yet comfortable. Near the terrace, you'll find our top-of-the-line bistro, perfect for recharging your batteries over a nice meal or a warm cup of coffee. At the top floor, a fully equipped gym. Lift some weights, have a jog, or enjoy a game of ping pong with your colleagues. The Solution Center. Here, salespeople and partners can see how we do it and why we do it. Bring your customers so they can test and develop with us our solutions for their own environments, including healthcare, warehouse, logistics, just to name a few. Experience solutions through our demo environments and see whether they work for you, or inquire about what we can do better to adapt it to your specific needs. The talent present in Brno, along with the results and innovations we are achieving, demonstrates that Zebra Brno is a key asset in our global Zebra community. Whether you're an employee in Brno itself or are watching this from far away, we welcome you. Enjoy your stay.